get to explore a little bit of Jersey. And the first place we get taken to eat was cornbread. And let's just say the cornbread was bussin'. I'll definitely go back for it. And we had Uptown's fried catfish, yams. The yams wasn't like up to par for me, but let's just keep it moving. Mac and cheese, potato salad. It was just delicious. Then we got something that was just amazing to the belly, okay? We got duck donuts. Duck donuts. Let me just show you. All of our donuts were made right in front of us. They're nothing like Krispy Kreme donuts. They're more like cake donuts. And you can mix and match whatever toppings you want. So if you're ever up north, go try some duck donuts. I definitely recommend. Don't mind my pimple in the middle of my forehead, my ratchet look of the day. But I got something in the mail, something very exciting for all of us. Let's open the box. If you know, you know, without me having to even open anything. Ugh. I need help. I can't open it. Maybe that part. Oh, there it goes. This part. Thank you. They made it simple, and I was doing it the hard way. You made it extra simple. I got a MacBook Pro. I got the 13-inch in space gray, but I got a new baby to edit videos on. So guys, the videos are coming back. I got the 512 gig. So we won't be running out of memory. And this thing is coming with me everywhere. Because as you know, I will be traveling. Okay, let's see the beauty of this gorgeous thing. It comes with the laptop, obviously, and a goddamn lightning cord. It better have, okay. It comes with the box too. When I got my iPhone, which I'm filming on right now, it came with the lightning cord, but no box for me to charge my phone on. If you're buying a 12 Pro, you're gonna get a lightning cord without a box to go with it. I mean, by the box, I mean charger box. So you have to buy one. They're $25, okay? I did not buy one. I used my old charger. But as of now, I have a box. So your girl is not gonna go buy another one. And I can charge my phone on my laptop too. This is the new outlet for the phones and computers. Oh my god. I'm like a kid right now. A kid with a deep ankle. It turned on automatically. It started everything automatically. All I did was lift it. Oh my god, look at it. So this thing changes. Let's touch. I've been seeing angel numbers, and one of them has been 824 for a while. Mike was saying it for a while, and that's actually my birthday. But yeah. Hey y'all, I am in Atlanta. I use ZiaAlexis because I know I won't be able to get it in Jersey. My first water bottle of the day, besides a little sip that I took on the plane, of a little 8 ounce. I didn't even drink the whole thing, so I'm not even gonna count it. It's 1 o'clock today, so we're doing a lot better than what we were doing yesterday in terms of making sure we're drinking our water. I'm about to drink half of this, eat, drink the other half, and then go get me another one. I'm at my aunt's house right now, and I gotta go jump my car and do all this other stuff from when we left. Oh, good. Later that night, I thought I was just going out for Taco Tuesday, and my friends somehow got me really, really drunk. Get up. $324. That's one day after 3 Michael Jordans. Happy birthday! Is this your birthday? It was yesterday. Happy birthday! Oh, happy birthday! Virgos right across from each other. Why are you doing this to everybody?
Yo, you know what's going on this Lydz B-Day, baby.
I'm from Canada, and 4 years ago I didn't think any of this was even a part of my story or anything like that. And I moved here with no friends and nothing, and I always complained oh, no one loves me and I don't have anyone here. So to even see this is mind blowing. I thought I could walk away. I was so nervous, and I just love you all. And this is just reassurance that I'm so loved and that I belong here and I am meant to do what I'm doing. So I just love you guys. I can't believe it. Dad is the GOAT. He did this whole day, so I'm so grateful. And yeah, I love you guys so much. I'm nervous.
We love you.
Every nigga deserves a birthday cake. Every nigga
Stop rapping at my birthday.
Let's dance.
Every nigga deserves a birthday. On the block that don't give up. I'm on the block, shirt on and shoot this motherfucker. Everything around.
I turned 25 on the 25th. That's my fucking golden year. Nigga, I'm about to sell plaques, records, fucking
Tattoo party, so free tattoos. news. And since my grandma just passed, which I haven't talked about on this channel, I had to get something for her.